right, welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. We are making mini Galaga today, and I'm going to start with my email from Shrijana and Selena. So they are our superheroes for today. There's Selena's and there's Shrijana's. So we're going to go ahead and get hers, and we're going to download that. And this is going to be the coordinates we're going to use. All right, so they did a nice job with this. So 40-30, 70-30. You could see where it looks like she's using like a 30 by 30 alien or 20 by 20. So we're going to have 3 mega aliens across the top, 4 flies in the middle, and then the Galaga bees going across the bottom. So you're going to see me start that today. I'm going to go into, thank you, Shrijana, for doing that. And here we go. We're going to go right into MIT, and we're going to go ahead and start this. Let's go into here, MIT, create an app. I'm going to start from scratch. If you guys want to use the RAD program, and if you want to use Bouquet or Picture Pool, you guys are welcome to do that. All right, so I have my mini Galaga version, version 1, 3/19/2020. Here we go. So the first thing I'm going to do is just start, I'm going to put in a timer, and this is going to be a clock, and this is going to be clock to move aliens. Okay, and I'm just going to get some of those aliens to move today, and then that'll be it. That'll be our first lesson today. So we're going to go ahead and go to drawing animation. I'm going to put in a canvas, and I am going to show you today how you can set up and know all the coordinates of your canvas. So CNV Galaga board, and you're going to go height, fill parent, width, fill parent. Boom, there you go. You're going to put your guys on here. Three mega aliens at the top. And I'm going to show you how this is not going to matter where they are, because we're going to use our screen one initialize to set them exactly where Shrijana put them on her paper. All right. So here you're going to go IMG SBR Mega 1. Hit OK. I'm going to pause the video because you guys can rename all these. All right, so I just went through and named them. IMG SBR Mega 1, Mega 2, Mega 3, Fly 1, Fly 2, Fly 3, Fly 4, B1, B2, B3, 4. All right, we're good. So now what we're going to do is we're going to go into our blocks, and I can start getting some, just some images in there. We can put those in there later. It really doesn't matter. All right, so I did a little bit of GIMP work. Got my bees, my flies. Let's go back here to MIT. And let's start throwing some of these guys in here. So picture, upload, browse, choose a file. I think they're in pictures. Mega, open. Okay. Let's make that guy like 30 by 30. There you go. All right, I'm going to do that for the rest of these guys. I'm going to go ahead and put my picture in. and go get the fly. 30 by 30. Set up your GUI like we've always done. And this guy is going to be a B. Go get a B. There he is. Height 30 by 30. And there you go. If we want, we can go to the Galaga board and we can go to background color black. And now these guys look like that. And now I'm just going to put these in here for the rest of these and load these up real quick, and I'll be back in a few seconds. Okay, so I'm done. And now I'm actually like mess these up so that you guys can see that I'm going to go ahead and set them where Shrijana wanted to. So I'm going to screw up my screen, and I'm going to go into my blocks, and I'm going to go to screen 1, initialize, and I'm going to go ahead and start setting all these bees where I want them to go. All right. So we're just going to start with Mega 1, and you're going to, this is going to be a lot of copying and pasting when you get it done. You're going to set its X and set its Y. It's that simple. And then if you go back to Shrijana's drawing, she said this guy goes at 40, 30, 77. So I'm going to take this guy down here. I'm going to keep it accessible. Okay. And now we're just going to go in here and go to math. There you go. And this guy is at 40. And this guy is at 30. Okay. And then you can just duplicate this. Take this guy out here. Throw that guy away. And this is Mega 2. Mega 2. I'll duplicate this guy. Duplicate this guy. This is going to be 2. This guy is going to be 3. All right, so I think she said this one was at 70 and this one was at 100. All right. And by the way, if these are not where we want them, then we go back to our drawing board and we change them. So I did 40, 70, 100, all 30s. All right, this one's 30, 60, 90, 120, and these are at 60. So now I go down here, and I can duplicate this again. Okay, and this is going to be fly 1. Fly 1, this guy's going to be fly 2, fly 2, this is going to be fly 3, this is going to be fly 3. All right, and I need one more of these, so I'm going to duplicate. And this is now fly 4. Okay, so now what were the coordinates for this? Okay, so fly 1 was at, let's go back and look. Fly 1 was at 30, 60. So 30, 60, 90, 120, and they're all at 60. So 30, this guy's all at 60. All right. So we're going to go 60 here. 60, 60, and 60. I could have copy and paste that. So now this is at 30, 60, 90, 120. Thank you, Shrijana. All right. And I'm going to take these out. I'm going to throw these in a procedure really quick, just so I can copy and paste them really, really fast. Duplicate. These guys are back to where we want them. And these guys are back to here. Now we're going to go down here, and this is going to be B1, B1, B2, B2, B3, B3, B4, and B4. There we go. And now I think those are all the same, except you go down to the image, these are all at 90. All right. So you're just going to go down here, and I want these at 90. All right. So there you go. 36. So there you go. You just set them all in place of where you want them. When you run them, when you initialize your screen, they're going to go to there. Okay. So I guess we can go work on the designer again, and maybe we can go get another image sprite, put this guy down here. We'll call this guy IMG SPR fighter ship. This is our fighter ship. This is us. This is the player, and we can go get a fire ship. So I'll go do that real quick. All right, so I'm going to go ahead, and I want to make another IMG SPR missile. And I can go ahead and load that picture up. There's my missile. Missile's huge. I don't know, maybe 10 by 10. Uh, 20 by, about 15 by 15. It's small. Oh well. There's a fighter ship. Upload that guy. Good old fighter ship. Probably go 30 by 30 like we did before. It's a fair fight. Alien versus fighter ship. And there we go. All right, so let's set this missile. So I'm going to set my fighter ship, put his X and Y. I think Shrijana and I talked about this before we left, of where we were going to place this guy. So the fighter ship is going to start halfway in between the screen. So we're going to go get this canvas width divided by 2. No. Wrong one. So I'm going to go math, divide by 2. And I'm going to go get the Galaga game board width and divide it by 2. And then down here, we're going to do the same thing, but we're going to go get the screen height. And then we're going to subtract off the height of our fighter ship. So go find its height. And then here you want to add in like a buffer. So we're going to put in like a buffer of, I don't know, 20 pixels from the bottom. Okay, so there you go. I just set up all my aliens. We're going to see if it runs and works. And here we go. All right, so if you just run that on your emulator or your Remember, you guys can set up your emulator here. Probably going to have to go to Start and find your MIT. I don't know if I have it. You probably have to download your MIT AI starter. So these are the coordinates for setting up your screen. I hope that helps, and we'll be back tomorrow to set up in the next video. Tomorrow what we're going to do is what I'd want you to do here is go ahead and start your timer. So right here, what I would do is on initialize your screen, I would set the timer to true. And let's go ahead and set the time interval to, I don't know, be 333. So 3 times per second. And then down here, you want to go ahead and get your clock. And we're going to create a clock variable. So move alien time, set it to 0. Inside of here, you're going to go ahead and set this guy to be +1. And now what we want to do is set all our aliens in an array, and we're going to move them all together at one time down here. So tomorrow I'll show you how to set them up, put them into an array, and there you go. So get your screen, work on your screen a little bit today, get your GUI set up, and tomorrow we'll start moving some aliens and have them drop back and forth, drop back and forth. Okay? Hope that helps. Have a good time and have fun building these apps, and stay safe, stay healthy. Stay up with your vitamins and minerals. Drink lots of water, and go get elderberry. It's one of the best immune boosters out there. So go find elderberry at a health food store or Jungle Gyms or something. Love you guys. Appreciate you guys, and we'll talk to you soon. Hit me up on the comment section when you watch this video so I know you watched it. Thanks. We'll talk to you soon. Bye.